Ever edited a huge Excel report and kept scrolling up and down just to check one important number? Today, I'll show you a hidden Excel feature that lets you monitor key cells live without scrolling. Hi, I'm Vijay Kumar, VSDL Excel Pro. If you love smart Excel tricks that save time and make your work easier, you're in the right place. I post simple Excel tips that even professionals use daily. Today, we are learning the watch video, a powerful but rarely used Excel tool that lets you track important cells anywhere in our sheet. Imagine you are working on a long report, maybe 500 or 1000 rows. Your grand total is at the bottom, but your editing happens at the top. Every time you change something, you scroll down, check the total, scroll back up, repeat again and again. That wastes time and breaks focus. Watch window solve this problem. Formulas, then go to watch window here by clicking add watch. You select the cells what to be watch. Now you can see that while click on the watch window, the particular cell will be appear. If it is not there in the watch window, you can go to files option. There choose quick access toolbar. In that select all commands. In that select watch window, click add and then OK. Now it is permanently available in the ribbon. You can by click there, the watch window will be open. If you do any changes, it will be automatically the changes will be visible in the watch window. The same watch window you can use it for any worksheet also. Let's see, while opening this sales report, converting to this, I'm changing to December month. Another report I make as January. You can add multiple cells also in the watch window. Again, I'm adding. Click add watch. Scrolling down to the January total sales. That cells I'm selected. Just clicking add watch. Now you can see that in one watch window, now you are able to see two sales month data. To do changes the respective month, the respective month total value will be available in the watch window also. Now again adding one more month, you can add multiple cells in the watch window. Go into watch window, adding, selecting the cells for the November month, just clicking OK. Watch window itself, the particular month also is available as per the sheet name. The what sheet name is changing, the particular sheet name will be appear in the watch window also. So if you change any the particular month, the changed data will be available in the watch window also. If you want to delete, you can delete the data. So what you need, the data only you can keep it. Others you can delete it. So once you close, again open the particular the data what you selected, it will be available in watch window. So anytime you can open and say there. Also the watch window we can put in the address bar. So it's easy for us to watch and as a report the top itself. If I add for December again, you can add here also as a multiple data. To check the values will be appearing in that in the address bar itself. So we can check any number of data in the watch window. If you change any particular month, the respective month it is automatically changing in the watch window also. I'm changing to December. You can see there. December also changing. The what's appearing in the December month, the total sales, the same is available there also. If this is already useful, hit like and subscribe. More hidden Excel tools coming. Professionals use watch window for budget tracking, financial statements, inventory reports, audit checks, dashboard validation, large business spreadsheets. Anytime a number is critical, watch window keeps it visible. So today you learned how to open watch window, how to add cells, how to monitor multiple values, how to track across sheets. This small feature saves huge time in large reports. Try it once and you will never go back to scrolling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Excel tip.